Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send XRP to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. With the crypto world constantly evolving, this guide will keep you ahead of the curve. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes in, sending XRP has never been easier if you follow the right steps. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase account set up and verified. If not, head over to the Coinbase app or website and create one. It's quick and secure. Now, assuming you already hold some XRP in another wallet, like Trust Wallet or your hardware wallet, let's get started. Step 1. Open your source wallet where your XRP is stored. Look for the Send or Transfer option. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Next, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember, in 2025, transaction fees might vary based on network congestion, so check the estimated fees before proceeding to avoid surprises. Step 2. You'll need to input your Coinbase wallet address. To find this, open the Coinbase app, go to your wallet section, select XRP, and copy the address. Pro tip: double-check the address to prevent any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you've pasted the address, add a memo or tag if required for XRP, as some networks need this for proper routing. Hit Send and confirm the transaction. In 2025, you might see faster processing thanks to upgrades like the XRP ledger improvements, so keep an eye on your Coinbase app for the deposit. If everything goes smoothly, your XRP should appear in your Coinbase wallet within minutes. But hey, if you run into issues like network errors, always reach out to Coinbase support or check the XRP Blockchain Explorer. Finally, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's navigate the crypto world together. See you next time.